morning. All right, well, we started this hike at 5 a.m. and I've been seeing every morning that the clouds are pretty low, so the goal today was to get on top of the clouds and do some landscape photography. And lucky enough to say that's exactly what happened. Show you guys a sneak peek here. So we ended up going to the top of the mountain, and then we saw sunrise coming on the other side. So I had to change my composition ideas a little bit, but don't care, looks absolutely fantastic. We're gonna keep shooting for a little while, and then we'll head back down. Well, I would say that was a successful sunrise hike. You know, not all sunrises are like that, but when you wake up at 4 to be out there and it just blows up like that, makes it for a great start of the day, and also makes it worth it that you got up at 4. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. When you're looking for compositions, light plays a big role into it. And a lot of the times you see a lot of photographers, they shoot on maybe gloomy days, sunrises, sunset. We know you don't shoot necessarily noon where there's open space that's uncontrolled by you as a photographer in the sky. So it was really nice to be out there, really nice to see the sunrise just get really red and yellow, be above the clouds. That's definitely a first for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you stay tuned for next week as we take some of these images, we jump into Lightroom, and I cover 2 important tips on how to really make your photos and these colors pop.